And I have redesigned the Nexus enclosure to accommodate the wider O-ring gasket, whatever you want to call it. The issue is in Poland I can't seem to buy this by the meter, so I had to purchase the next best thing, which is TPU, and I got the 2.85, the girthier one, and it's 0.2 kilograms. That would be what, like 20-30 meters for 40 zloty, which is around I don't know, 8 quid, something of to that tune. And it's a Shore rating of 93A, which is not squishy enough for my liking. I think I would like it to be like the 70, so it's more of a rubber feel. At least that's what I've researched. And I also printed, well, I'm experimenting with some depths of the cut, and this one, when the screw will come in, or the bolt, whatever, it will tighten it nicely. I can't get the focus, but you get the idea. So this should do the trick perfectly. And yeah, it looks like I'll be using TPU. I'll be using TPU as my waterproofing and dustproofing solution, but it'll require me to redesign some of the other parts. And yeah, that should do the trick, and thanks for watching.